Kayak fishing Texoma today. Headed out to Lake Texoma over there by Spillway Park. Before we went there, stopped at Krispy Kreme, grabbed us some donuts, as well as some coffee. Even got a hat. So after some coffee and donuts, we're on the road here and able to head up north to Denison. Alright, and we're just coming up on the Spillway Park, or ramp, and that's where we're going to be putting in here shortly. Alrighty, so we're almost there. One thing that we noticed with the ramp fees, it's $5. It used to be $3, and I believe it went to $4, and now it's $5. So be aware that you have that. There's some information on how to fill it out, and there is some amenities like a bathroom area, as well as some accessible areas for folks that want to try doing some bank fishing. That said, we're going to be trying to get them with our kayak.
We're at the boat ramp here at Spillway Ramp and Texoma, and we're going to launch here shortly. See some movement out in the distance. Looks like there may be a fish or two out there. So wish us luck. Alright, we got some movement out there, so we may hopefully hook into one here shortly. And just off the boat ramp right now too. So it looks like they're pretty close to shore. And we'll just give it a shot here in a moment. There they are. Alright, we see some splashing in the distance. Let's see if we can get there. Alright, got one. Alright. Lost them. Shoot. Broke off. Damn. Over there in the background you can see them hitting. And of course we had a break off, so we're going to have to retie. And of course that's how Murphy's Law works, you know. You're sitting there just casting away, you get one on there and he breaks off. And sure enough they're right there. But luckily we'll be able to rig up real quick here. Just going with the tandem rig jigs, and we'll put on a little coho on the bottom. So we'll just kind of sit still here and just cast around this. See if we can get something here. All right, we got one just off to our left here. Let's see if we can get them. Give you an idea what's happening, they're right there. See them? Well, I guess they're around me. Alright, got one. This one's going to stay on. Alright, so they're back again. Of course, we're trying to get this guy off. Alright, we're not sure what happened. We may have lost some video here, but bottom line, they were hitting all around us, and we got them on one bucktail jig with the coho on the jig itself. And then we switched over to a popper. Now we're just waiting to see if they'll pop back up again. Actually, we see something just move. Alright, there they are again. Let's go chase them down. Alright, let's see what we can find. Got him. All right, get close. Bass. All right, we got a bass. Cool, got a bass. All right, nice bass. Bigger than what we've been catching down at Bethany, but oh well, fun stuff. Okay, so while we're waiting, just reading up on Texoma's rules. Okay, so the Texoma comes under S&W 1 and S&W 5. So in S&W 5 is talking about white bass, you can get 25, no minimum length. S&W 1 is for the striped and hybrid bass, no minimum legal length, so any size is good to go. Daily bag is 10 with a possession of 20, but there is a note about 2 striped bass or hybrid bass, 20 inches or greater can be retained. So out of your 10, it looks like only 20 inches or greater can be 2 of them.
So overall, it was a good time. Ended up getting that one striped bass, and luckily, being able to review the regulations, we were able to find out that this 120-inch striped bass would have been one of 2 that we could have kept. Do check out our Hub Pages article that talks of different places to put in on the Texas side for Texoma. All right, so next time we'll catch y'all later, and good luck and good fishing.